my name is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. I am at the Lowe's. I'm looking for some self-adhesive cord covers to cover up the cords on my wall-mounted television. I went to the Lowe's because they had some that I thought would work very well. They're small, and I had more than one cord to hide. I have several, and it just looked unfortunate. It was ugly, so I found these for $7.98 a piece. I purchased 2 of them, and I'm going to take my little box saw and cut them in half. This is a very cost-effective solution if you have cords that you're wanting to hide after you have mounted your TV onto the wall. The cords just snap inside the little round protector, and then it adheres to the wall. They're also paintable, and I went ahead and painted these to match the wall. And since I had an odd amount of cords that I was needing to hide, then I did not have a cord to put in on the far end of the television, but I wanted everything to be symmetrical. So I just put this cord cover on the wall with nothing inside of it. This way it looks more of an architectural piece, similar to what you would get if you did a board and batten treatment on your wall, and it doesn't simply look like I'm trying to cover up television cords. What I started out with and what I ended up with are 2 different things, and this was a very easy, cost-effective solution to a very ugly problem. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell so that you know when I've uploaded my next video. Give this video a thumbs up. When I do something, I always show you. So maybe if you have an ugly problem that you're trying to camouflage, then this may be a solution for you as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.